Halo Lur, selamat datang kembali di channel Tubiak. Apa kabar semuanya hari ini? Admin doakan semua dalam keadaan sehat. Amin. Kali ini, kita akan menyaksikan reaksi dari 3 reaktor saat memeriksa Alip Ba Ta Apa Bisa Hanya Aku. Mari kita mulai Lur.
On for a month. Where have you been, Alip? It's been far too long since your last video. Anyway, today he's covering a band I imagine or a person called Elzareth, and the song is called Apa Bisa Hanya Aku.
Shake it off there, Alip. Right off the bat, such a treat, and immediately within seconds, a sense of peace just runs through me. I don't know if you feel that. I call it the Aliper love. Anyhow, harmonic master, proving it right there again. I can back it up. We restart this.
Oh, it's melodic. It's a melodic. We've got a few different techniques going on. We've got some slides. We've got some hammer-on pull-offs, a couple of bent notes, and then obviously a cool, like, picking riff going on. It sounds absolutely wonderful. I don't recognise the tune, but I'm liking the melody. Let's go.
I gotta say this. I play guitar. I wish I could shred like fast like everybody else, like the Steve Vais, Yngwie, Hammerstrings, or whatever their name is. Alip just proves here. Yeah, he can shred. He can play it all like just as fast and as quick as these people. It's not the speed. It's the feeling you can deliver when you're playing. He's playing here very relaxed. I'm sure it's just a walk in the park for Alip with his eyes closed. Yeah, hear how beautiful he can make that sound. He brings feeling out in every note, the way it's played, like the levels. It's not just one flat boom, and he's not rushing through it. And the cool thing is, I know Alip, I've been following now for a couple of years. His eyes are probably not looking down at where his fingers are. He's looking off in the distance because he's in the moment of playing the music. So this is pretty cool.
Ooh. See, this guy must have a really, really strong pinky finger, because the amount of times he's hitting that little string. I mean, I tried to do that on an acoustic guitar, and sometimes it sounds dull or deaf because it doesn't hit properly. But he's hitting every single note with them fingers, and that little finger, bang, 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 like that. And it's ringing out every single time.
Okay, sir, you had to do that. That last chord, I want to know what he did. But before I even say what I have to say, last chord. What was that? Oh.
Another masterpiece delivery here by Alip.
I just noticed he's got his Alip Ba Ta signature guitar there on the head. Look, he's back on that one.
Ah, interesting. Very interesting ending chord right there. It's just seamless. He just plays so effortlessly. He just does things like just wow. That was an incredible piece by the master himself, and of course,
Them little flamenco pieces and little bluesy pieces makes this sound very, very interesting. And that bit where he goes do 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 before he does all that, I feel like I've heard that before, but I'm not sure where. I don't recognise Elzareth. I don't recognise the name of the song, obviously, because it's an Indonesian title. But I mean, I feel like I've heard that tune before. Has Ali covered this before?
His main identity was present during this song, which is the many harmonics. I always wonder how easy it is for him to just find harmonics everywhere on the guitar. It doesn't matter what style he's playing, what song he's playing.
Coming off the strings. He's so clear. Boop, boop.
It's there in the bottom corner. Wow.
Tiga reaktor tampak benar-benar terkejut saat menyaksikan Alip Ba Ta memainkan lagu Apa Hanya Bisa Aku dengan gaya fingerstyle yang sangat emosional. Dari detik pertama, ekspresi wajah mereka langsung berubah, mata membesar, mulut terbuka, seolah tidak percaya dengan apa yang mereka dengar. Mereka tidak menyangka lagu sehalus dan sedalam ini bisa dihidupkan kembali hanya dengan satu gitar akustik. Semuanya terlihat shock, terpaku oleh keindahan permainan yang begitu menyentuh. Salah satu reaktor bahkan langsung memegang kepala sambil menatap layar. Seolah-olah otaknya tidak bisa memproses bagaimana mungkin seorang pria duduk diam, tanpa ekspresi, bisa menghasilkan suara seindah itu. Mereka berulang kali mengatakan bahwa ini bukan permainan gitar biasa, tapi sebuah pernyataan emosional. Alip Ba Ta tidak hanya memainkan nada, ia menyampaikan perasaan yang dalam, dan semua reaktor ikut merasakannya dalam diam. Ketika melodi utama lagu mulai muncul dengan jelas, para reaktor langsung mengenali lagu Apa Hanya Bisa Aku. Namun versi Alip Ba Ta terasa jauh lebih mengena. Mereka mulai bergumam pelan mengikuti irama, lalu tiba-tiba kembali shock saat Alip Ba Ta melakukan transisi nada yang begitu halus dan elegan. Tidak ada jeda, tidak ada keraguan, semuanya mengalir dengan sempurna dari satu bagian ke bagian lain. Teknik-teknik fingerstyle yang digunakan Alip Ba Ta membuat reaktor semakin kehilangan kata-kata. Mereka tidak hanya melihat petikan biasa, tapi juga pukulan lembut pada bodi gitar, harmonik yang jernih, dan perpindahan chord yang begitu cepat namun tetap bersih. Mereka saling melirik, mencoba memastikan bahwa mereka tidak sedang berhalusinasi. Semuanya tampak benar-benar terpana, terdiam dalam kekaguman. Suasana menjadi sangat hening ketika Alip Ba Ta memainkan bagian paling emosional dari lagu tersebut. Reaktor yang tadinya banyak bicara kini hanya bisa menatap layar tanpa bergerak. Ekspresi mereka kosong, tapi matanya berkaca-kaca. Permainan gitar ini bukan hanya memukau secara teknis, tetapi juga menghantam perasaan. Mereka tampak seperti sedang menahan napas, takut kehilangan satu nada pun. Saat lagu berakhir, ketiganya nyaris tidak langsung bereaksi. Beberapa detik berlalu sebelum salah satu dari mereka berkata, "Itu tadi gila sih." Yang lain hanya bisa mengangguk pelan, masih dalam keadaan shock. Mereka terlihat belum bisa move on dari permainan barusan. Suasana ruang reaksi masih terasa berat, seolah-olah mereka baru saja melewati sesuatu yang sangat emosional dan tidak siap menerima kenyataan bahwa lagunya sudah selesai. Akhirnya, mereka sepakat bahwa Alip Ba Ta telah membawa lagu Apa Hanya Bisa Aku ke level yang sama sekali berbeda. Mereka mengaku bahwa sebelumnya tidak pernah membayangkan lagu ini bisa seintim dan seindah itu hanya dengan gitar akustik. Semua reaktor merasa telah menyaksikan sesuatu yang spesial, dan mereka tahu bahwa ini bukan reaksi biasa, ini adalah pengalaman yang akan terus mereka ingat. Semuanya shock, dan dalam shock itu mereka menemukan rasa kagum yang dalam. Itulah lur untuk reaksi kali ini. Sampai jumpa lagi di video selanjutnya bersama channel 2BAC. Admin ucapkan terima kasih banyak telah menonton.